The Thai 3 is a compact electric SUV from BYD's Fang Cheng Bao brand, offering a different approach to the segment compared to luxury or off-road focused vehicles. The Thai 3 presents a distinctive boxy SUV profile with a blacked-out front grille and prominent bumper styling, while the rear-mounted external storage compartment accentuates its utilitarian design. The vehicle also offers an optional integrated drone system developed in collaboration with DJI. Inside, the design continues the rugged theme, incorporating a straightforward and functional layout. The driver is presented with an 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster, complemented by a 15.6-inch central touchscreen interface and a 12-inch head-up display available on higher trims. The system runs BYD's D-Link 100 interface, which supports voice commands, over-the-air updates, and integrated navigation. The cabin features a mix of physical controls, including a prominent gear selector and a row of buttons. The front seats include power adjustment, heating, and ventilation, while the rear seats provide adjustable backrests and a center armrest for added comfort. Practical touches include a 50-watt wireless charging pad and a temperature-adjustable storage compartment in the center console. On the battery front, the Thai 3 is equipped with LFP batteries with capacities of 72.9 and 78.7 kilowatt-hours, providing an estimated CLTC range of 510 kilometers. The Thai 3 is available in both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations. The four-wheel drive models feature a dual motor system that delivers a combined output of 422 horsepower. It also comes standard with BYD's God's Eye C smart driving system, intelligent torque adaptive control, and intelligent terrain system. In China, prices range from 133,800 yuan to 193,800 yuan, depending on the trim.